Welcome to 5 Minute Explain, the channel where complex topics get broken down fast. From mind blowing facts to the hottest trends, we explain everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into today's topic. Ryan Williams, also known as R. Willie, is the Australian athlete who's redefining action sports from dominating the scooter world to blowing minds with BMX. This guy has changed the game with insane tricks and fearless creativity. Today, we are diving into the story of one of the most innovative and electrifying athletes out there. Ryan Williams, born in 1994 in Queensland, Australia, Ryan Williams discovered his passion for action sports at a young age, starting off with skateboarding and scooters. It did not take long for him to pick up a BMX bike and push the boundaries of what was possible. Like most legends, it started in the streets and skate parks of Australia, where Ryan would perfect his skills and dream up tricks no one had ever seen before. In 2012, Ryan Williams caught the attention of Nitro Circus, the global action sports collective led by Travis Pastrana. His entry in the Nitro Circus changed everything. Williams quickly became a fan favorite thanks to his signature trick, the Nothing Front Scooter Flip, a jaw-dropping move that made him an internet sensation overnight. But he did not stop there. Ryan wanted to prove that his skills were not limited to scooters. He went on to become one of the top BMX riders on the planet, performing tricks that were previously thought impossible. Ryan is known for pushing the limit of what's possible in action sports, from pioneering tricks like the BMX triple front flip to landing the world's first 720 front flip on the scooter. R. Willie has always been a step ahead of the game. His creativity, innovation, and fearlessness have earned him a spot among the greats in both the scooter and BMX worlds. Ryan's ability to blend both sport in something few athletes can even dream of. Ryan's list of accomplishments is a mind-blowing as his tricks. He is a multi-time Nitro World Games champion, dominating both scooter and BMX disciplines. In 2016, he won the first ever BMX Best Trick event at Nitro World Games with an unforgettable front flip backflip. Since then, he's racked up numerous titles, including X Games medals, and has inspired a new generation of action sports athletes across the globe. Impact on action sports goes beyond his competition wins. Through his YouTube channel and social media presence, he is constantly giving back to the community, sharing tips, behind the scenes looks, and motivating young riders to dream big. Proof that with passion, persistence, and creativity, you can go from riding to at local skate park to being one of the biggest names in action sports. And yet, Ryan continues to push boundaries, and we can't wait to see what's next. Thanks for watching. If you loved this deep dive into the life of Ryan Williams, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more action packed content, and leave a comment below about your favorite R Willie trick. Until next time, keep pushing the limits.